Hello guys, Nadine here. Just wanted to share my baby monkey with you. Sorry for the noises. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, so this is the first prototype baby monkey. She just came out of the mold yesterday, and I think she's quite cute. Yeah, so I opened her mouth yesterday. She got tiny tongue inside. Oh, closed eyes, but I think I can open them as well. I have given this one armatures in the arms, and I'll probably give her armatures in the legs as well. So see, I separated her fingers. She still needs a bit of fixing, like on the top of her head. I think she came out quite cute. Okay, come here. So yeah, as I said, she has got armatures in the arms. Means that she can bend her. Yeah, she's quite sticky. That's why all the stuff tends to stick to her. Yeah, see? And yeah, obviously she shouldn't do it with one hand. Yeah, and she's quite floppy because I gave her long limbs. Well, monkeys tend to have long limbs. Yeah, see, she's got the seam to fix, and alright. I thought when I started sculpting her, I thought she would be a bit smaller, like you know, like the one to hold on to your thumb, sorry, thumb. It's funny sometimes what I say. Yeah, but she came out a bit bigger, and I'm actually quite happy with her. And I'm gonna root her. Maybe I'll try to open her eyes slightly. She's like half asleep. Come on. Just to show you the details. Come on. Maybe just put her down. Yeah, this is better. I think my hands are shaking. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, okay, so there she is. I hope to finish her soon. Got lots of custom orders to finish. But yeah, still, she is there. She was sculpted quite fast, and I have her in silicone already. So I'm actually really happy. I'm really happy with you. And of course I don't have a name yet. Oh, come on. You're alright. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like her. Thank you.